Everyone, my name is Sanjana and very warm welcome to my YouTube channel with a brand new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about one of the most requested topic, that is Ignou MA Political Science first year. Because after taking admission in Ignou, students have lots of confusion how to complete their syllabus. So instead of going through with the whole syllabus, you can go through with the main topic so that you can gain the maximum marks. And in this topic, we are only going to cover the topics which has the maximum weightage in the examination. Okay. Before starting the topic, I would like to start my talk with a disclaimer that I am not at all a professional teacher yet. So whatever I am discussing here or sharing my experience is on the behalf of my own MA Political Science experience. The notes which I have made for myself, and I have the study material which Ignou itself provides.
This video is specifically dedicated to the UPSC aspirants which are taking their political science as an optional subject, and moreover for those students which are preparing for their master examination of political science.
Here is the list of the previous year question papers from 2020 to 22 respect. And I hope everyone whosoever listening this lecture must be aware with that you have to only attend 5 questions out of 10 in the main examination, and each question contains of 20 marks, in which minimum you have to cover up the 8 pages. Moving further, I just give you an overview. First of all, we are going to discuss about the last year question papers, last 3 year question papers especially, and then we'll be discussing the important chapter topic wise which has the maximum weightage in the examination. Fine. So one thing more that you must be thinking, that why the question is containing 8 or 9 questions in each slides, because the questions which are repeated multiple times, I have just removed it from the question paper and I have included those questions in the most repeated questions. So don't worry, you will be not leaving anything in this video. Fine. Okay, so now moving further, guys, stay tuned, because at the end of this video we'll be discussing the most important part where we'll be discussing the most repetitive questions which I'm 101% sure that would help you in the main examination. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I am just switching to the next slides a little faster, so just make sure you people take a screenshot or just save this video in your playlist so that it become a little easier for you to reach out to it again. Now, this is the question paper of 2020. Just take a screenshot fast. Okay, now moving to the next slide. Now, this is the question paper of 2021. And now, this is the question paper of 2022. Okay. Now coming to the main part of the video, so these are the questions which you will find every year in the question paper, or you may say every alternative year. And believe me guys, if you just go through thoroughly with these questions which are you can see on the screen, nobody can stop you to clear the exam. Nobody can stop. Coming to the question number 1, which says what is political theory and why should we study it? This is very usual question which you will find every alternative year. And now for this, how will you prepare your answer? First of all, you will be discussing what is political theory, then its implications. After that, what is political theory's growth and how does it evolve? Like for example, the classical theory, the modern theory, and the contemporary. I hope all of you must have read or you will be reading them. Now coming to the second part of the question, which says why study political theory. So here you specifically gonna mention the significance of political theory. Hope all of you might be aware how to frame a good answer. For example, like first we have to introduce the topic, then the main body, and at the last we need to conclude our answer with a conclusion. Fine. So like this you will be gonna frame your answer in the main examination. Coming to the second question, we'll be moving a little bit faster, otherwise the video gonna be quite lengthy. Question number second, which is asking for the relationship between multiculturalism and liberalism. Explain. Here first you will be explaining the multiculturalism, and on the other hand you will be explaining the liberalism. Then the relationship in the main body it will come, and then after you will be concluding your answer. Just you need to conclude your answer. Mind this thing, conclusion is must. So you need to mention conclusion in every answer. One thing more, that I have a list of important chapter as well, through which every year the questions or the topics do repeat. This is the topic list chapter wise from book number 1, and there are 8 chapters which were important. And talking about the second book, there are 7 chapter important. You just need to prepare total 15 chapters out of 30, which will, I am damn sure, will help you in your main examination to score the good marks. So I hope all of you must have understood how to prepare for your main examination. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Video helpful, just do comment in the comment section, do share with your friends and family members, and does not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. And one thing more, I just want to end my talk with a quotation. So yeah, thank you all of you for giving your valuable time here. I hope you like this video. Love you all. Bye.